Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open your App Store and search for WordLink, then tap Install Now. Allow 3 permissions when prompted: storage, network, and notifications for full functionality. After installation, launch the app and follow the short tutorial level to learn controls. Complete the tutorial level to unlock account and connection options in settings. Keep your device on Wi-Fi with at least 3 Mbps download speed during setup to avoid interruptions. Tap Confirm when the app requests access to media and network services to proceed. Sign in using Google, Apple, or create an email account to link your progress. Tap Sign In, enter credentials, and allow account permissions to complete linking. Enable auto sync in settings to backup levels every 24 hours to the cloud. If you want to play on another device, open WordLink there and choose Connect. Use the Connect button and scan the 6-digit code or approve within 60 seconds to sync progress immediately. Ensure both devices use the same account to avoid duplicate save files. If sync fails, force close the app and restart your device, then retry. Wait up to 10 minutes for cloud propagation before attempting another manual sync. Clear the app cache under App Info if loading stalls or cache exceeds 30 MB to free space. Confirm you are signed into the correct account and that auto sync is enabled in settings. For persistent errors, record your user ID and take a screenshot of the error. Then contact support from the Help menu for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.